Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss what is array of class objects and what is the need of array of class objects, what is the use of inline keyword with suitable examples, with running the programs. You must be remember that for one object, one record to be stored. By the help of one object, we can store a record. Record means the decimal data item which include integer, character, float, double. Suppose if we want to store more than one record, then instead of taking number of objects individually, you can take the object as array type, and that is known as your array of class objects. How you have to declare? Class name followed by its attribute, members and method. Class is ended with a semicolon. The class is defined. How the object to be declared as array of class objects? Class name, object followed by subscript value. The subscript value will represent how many records to be stored. If there is 5 records. If there is 3 records. If there is 100 records to be stored. Means one object as array type that can store more than one records of a specific type. Here, if you want to store 5 students' roll name in a class, then display, then how you have to define? We define a class ABC, its member is roll and name, and its method is get and display. Get method is used to input the value, display method is used to display the value, and entire thing is placed within the class block. Now, we create the object of this class, ABC class. Object is 5, means 5 records we want to store. How many times the loop will continue? 5 times. 0 is less than 5? Yes. Object of 0.get means it comes to get method, object of 0 roll, object of 0 name. Again comes to here, I incremented by 1, 1 is less than 5? Yes. Object of 1 get means object of 1 roll, object of 1 name. Like this, 5 times get method will be calling and 5 records will be stored. When 5 reach out, it comes out of the loop. Again, for displaying, loop will continue 5 times. 0 is less than 5? Yes. Object of 0 display means it comes to display method, object of 0 roll, object of 0 name. Again, I incremented by 1, 1 is less than 5, object of 1 display means object of 1 roll, object of 1 name. Like this, 5 times display method will call and 5 records will be displayed. If there is 100 record, OB of 100 to be declared, input will be continued for 100 times and output will continue for 100 times. If we want to run this program, what is the technique? Moves to your online compiler or turbo compiler. That program you see I have written previously to make it quicker, and now I want to run this program. It asks you enter roll, suppose 1, name is given Sriram, 2, name is given Shreyansh, 3, name is given Ram, 4, name is given Ram, 5, name is given my child. Then you see 5 different records will be displayed. In this way, any number of records you can input and display by the help of your array of class objects. Then comes to 2 important questions we have given here. Use array of class object, store 5 students roll name and search a name either it is found or not. Means within 5 names and roll is name is exist or not. We have to store roll mark of 10 student, calculate grade. If mark is greater than 90, grade is S. Mark is less than 90, grade is F. By using array of class object, you are requested to solve this question. If it is not possible by you, we will be providing the solution of that in later sessions. Then a important keyword is used in object-oriented programming is inline. Inline acts as a function specifier, is a reserved word or a keyword which reduces the object code and program execution is faster, become faster. Means suppose whatever we program write, that is source code. Suppose source code is 2 kilobyte and if it is its object code is produced and it is reduced as suppose 1 kilobyte, program execution is faster, because as we know, when we are writing the program, that is source code, compiler convert into object code, and object code to be placed in the memory by the help of your loader. We cannot see what is the runtime, but we can speculate by visualizing the object code file. Where the object code file is there, like source code file.cpp store in bin, the object file also stored in object as extension name .obj. If you open that file, you cannot understand, but you see the source code file in comparison, object code takes the less space in memory. Means if the object code is reduced, then the program execution become faster. How inline is to be used? Before return type of a function, you can define inline return type, function name followed by parameter if required, like the function definition having the block of code. If you declare inline void display int num, means inline acts as a function specifier. Display 5, it comes to here and display the value. Display 8, it comes to here, display the value. Display 666, it comes to here and display the value. Only in function or within the class or outside the class you can define inline. Any function declare you can define inline with the class or without the class, so that object code gets reduced and program execution become faster. At the time of function declaration, you can specify inline. You can write inline return type followed by function name. Main function or may not function include some parameters. In this way, in today's class, with example, we justify two important things in the class. One is array of a class object and another is use of inline. I think today's session is essential to you. You understand? Having any doubt, please make the comment. If you like this, kindly like the video. If you have not subscribed previously, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class.